Okay, we've got something pretty exciting to share with you guys today. We've been working on this project for 18 months now, and today is the day. So we have made you guys frozen plant-based meals so that when you're short on time, we're here to help you out.
These are the most popular recipes from our deli, from events, from supper clubs that we've done, and we hope you love them as much as we do.
Okay, so as with everything we do, the recipes we always share with you. So lots of them are from the plant-based cookbook, like our 5-bean chilli, our yellow Thai curry, and my favourite cauliflower and lentil dahl.
And then we got our sweet potato and black bean shepherd's pie, which Ellen makes for us lots at home, exact same as we make at home and when we freeze it and keep it for the week. Our spiced spinach and potato cakes, which are actually my favourite. I absolutely love them.
They're so good with garlic and tomato.
Yeah, really good.
And this whole range is launching now on Ocado and in Whole Foods, so you guys have to try them. Let us know what you think. As always, all plant-based, no preservatives, no additives, no stabilizers, and I'm just really hoping they're as helpful to you as they have been for us.
And we can't wait for you to try them and hear what you think.